Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today in this video, we're going to be doing a very highly requested video of how I put my lashes on. I have done this kind of video in the past and I'll leave it in the cards here. So I have a more updated version of how I put them on, and I think this version is a little bit easier than what I used to do before, and it's also a little bit quicker and faster. So before I go ahead and show you guys how I do this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alright guys, so to get started, we're going to need a couple of things. So you're going to need some mascara, you're going to need some lash glue, you're going to need lashes, liner, spoolie, some tweezers, or your fingers. I do want to put a disclaimer out there. I am missing these two nails on purpose. So in this video, you can use tweezers. I'm going to kind of use both, but I do like to use my fingers. So that's why my nails are missing here. So just FYI. I like to start off using mascara when I put my lashes on. I like to put the mascara on before my lashes. This is just so my lashes kind of pop out a little bit underneath. Sometimes if I go in with my makeup, the makeup gets on my lashes, so I just like to start off with like a black base underneath my lashes, and I just put on my mascara. I already went ahead and did my makeup off camera. I like to go ahead and do all of my makeup and then put my lashes on last. So next I'm going to go ahead and use my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and prep it. I'm using the Makeup Geek lashes. This is the style Isabella. I like these lashes. These are kind of dramatic but natural looking. Use whatever lashes you like. So your strip lash will come looking like this. As you see, it's just one strip. Whatever you choose, they kind of all look the same. This is what it's looking like before you get started. Sometimes depending on the lashes that you use, you might need to cut the ends off, the tips right here. I like to just kind of line it up to my eye. I know that this one in particular, it does line up to my eye pretty good, but the ends, I do need to kind of cut it. And it also helps where it doesn't like kind of poke you, because sometimes those irritate the corners of your eyes. So I like to just cut just a tiny bit off before I get started. So strip lashes come looking like the shortest one in the corner going out to the longest gradient. These are more natural looking lashes, so it's kind of hard to see, but I'm seeing that this is a little bit more fuller on the end here, so that's the side that goes on the outer corner. So I like to go ahead and prep my lashes with my glue. I like this duo glue because it's liquid and it's fast drying. So all you do is you go ahead and you put the glue on the strip lash and you just put it all over the strip. Put more on the corners. Right, so after I'm done, that's kind of what it's looking like, just like that, right over that black strip. Now you want to be careful because you don't want to get lash glue on the actual lashes because it's going to get clumpy, and we don't want that. I also like to go in and put glue over my eyelid. So if you see, this is the line. We're going to get that glue as close to the lash line as possible. So I'm just putting that right over my lash line like that. I'm putting it on like a liner and just putting it right over there. So you want to hold the lashes right in the middle of the lashes, and like I said, be careful because you don't want the glue to get all over the lashes. You want to keep it right on the strip. So I'm gonna go in, and now that this is drying, this is real time, so I'm gonna go in and put the lashes right over my natural lashes and my lash line, right in between it. Okay, you want to look in your mirror, look down. Once it's lined up right in the middle, right over your eye, I'm going to place it right in the middle there, like that. Okay, so it's on there, and I'm just going to position the lashes the way I like it, and I'm grabbing the tweezers and I'm placing it right over my lash line. So this is why I have my fingers, because you can do it with the tweezers, but I like to use my fingers, and I just place it as close to my lash line as possible, like that, where the skin meets, and as close to the lash line as possible, like that. So this dries really fast, so you're gonna have to move fast. And I'm just placing the lashes right over my lash line. So again, if you want to use the tweezers, put it as close as possible to your lash line and just get it in place. Now, because it's starting to get real tacky, you can't move it too much, you can't maneuver it too much because it's gonna start to get clumpy looking and it's gonna start to get real matted looking, and you don't want that. So now also while it's drying, I like to go in and kind of press the lash like this. So I like to press it into each other. I like to kind of press and pull out and press, pull out. But with the tweezers, you're just pressing it. You're just pressing it in. So then I'm just going to position the lashes while it's still kind of a little damp. I'm positioning them exactly the way I like it. All right. So the reason that I like to have a spoolie on hand is because when you start pressing the lashes together, sometimes it looks a little clumpy, if you guys are seeing that. And I like to use the spoolie just to kind of separate if the glue makes it look clumpy. Or you can do it with the tweezers. And I'm just separating that glue and trying to keep it as fluffy looking as possible. So now you see the lashes are close to my lash line and it's looking pretty natural. I like to go in last with my liner and line the top of the lashes where the glue is, right over my lash line and the lashes. And I also like to use the liner kind of to cover up maybe any traces of glue, and that's what it's looking like. You see the difference? Alright my friends, I hope this tutorial was helpful for whoever needed it. That pretty much sums up how I put on my lashes. I know there are 100 different ways of how you can do this, but this is how I do it. This is what works for me. So let me know if you like videos like this and if this video was helpful for you. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.